Let us take question number 3 from exercise 10.4. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meters is dug and the earth from the digging is evenly spread. Means they dug a deep well of the depth 20 meters and diameter 7 meters. And the earth came out from the well is spread evenly to form a platform. So the measurements of the platform are 22 meters by 14 meters. This we can take it as length 22 meters and breadth 14 meters. Find the height of the platform. We need to find the height of the platform. So here the earth that is came out from the digging well is evenly spread on the surface to form a platform. So here the well will be in the shape of cylinder and also the platform will be in the shape of cuboid. So we know the measurements of length and breadth of the platform, but we don't know the height of the platform. That we should find out now. So by using the logic, volume of the earth that came out from the well is equals to the volume of the platform. That means volume of the cylinder is equals to the volume of the cuboid. So volume of well, initially is a well, is equals to the new shape is volume of platform. Why? Because the earth which is came out from well is used to form a platform. So here well is in the shape of cylinder. So volume of cylinder is equals to volume of cylinder is equals to volume of cuboid, because platform will be in the shape of cuboid. So let us find the volume of cylinder first. Volume of cylinder. What is the formula to find the volume of the cylinder here? That is pi r square h. Are any measurements given about cylinder? Any data is there? Yes. Diameter is given. Diameter is equals to 7 meters. So r is equals to how much? D by 2, that is 7 by 2, that is 3.5 meters. Then what is the height? Deep means we can take it as height of the cylinder here. Height or depth, that is equals to 20 meters. So substituting these values in the formula, pi is 22 by 7, r is 3.5, again 3.5 into h is 20 meters. H is 20 meters. Now let us do the calculation. This is 0.5. 22 into 0.5 into 20 will become 10 into 3.5. 22 into 10 into 3.5 is 35. Do the multiplication. 35 2s are 70. 35 2s are 70 plus 7, 77. So this is volume of the well, that is volume of the cylinder is 770 meter cube. 770 meter cube. Now let us find out the volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cylinder, what we got now is 770 meter cube. Let us note down. Now find out the volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid is, what is the formula to find out the volume of the cuboid? That is L into B into H. So what are the measurements given and what we need to find out? The measurements given are length and breadth. So length is equals to 22 meters. Breadth is equals to 14 meters. We don't know the height. So 22 into 14 into height. So 14 2s are 28, 14 2s are 28 plus 2, 30. 308 into H meters. This is the volume of the cuboid, that is volume of the platform. Now let us equate volume of the cylinder with volume of the cuboid so that we can find out the H now. So let us stop it off. Volume of the cuboid, we can note down it as 308 into H meters. So let us equate both the volumes. Volume of cylinder is equals to volume of cuboid. What is cylinder? What is volume of cylinder? 770 meter cube. Here also, what is the volume of cuboid? That is 308 into H meter cube. So to find out the height of the platform, send 308 to this side. 770 by 308 is equals to H. So let us do the division here. 770, 308. 308 2s are 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 3s are 6. So do the subtraction. 4, 5, 1. So put a decimal point. So I think now we can go with 308 into 5. 5 8s are 40, 4, 5 3s are 50. So H is equals to 2.5 meters. The height of the platform that is formed by using the earth of the well is 2.5 meters. So in this way we need to find out we need to equate the volumes of the two shapes and we should find out the unknown requirements, that is the measurements which are not given in the data.